Let's pretend this frame represents but a small fraction of the world, your environment. And this mini, well, this is you. And as the year comes to an end, we always look back and see what we did over the past 365 days. But if you were like me and feel like you didn't accomplish as much as you set out to, you didn't paint or create as much as you wanted, you may feel guilt or sadness. It's a silly concept if you think about it. Guilty that you didn't do more when in reality you did so much. You didn't achieve what you wanted because you were too busy doing what you had to, what you needed to survive. That's when you have to stop and remind yourself that you made it to the end of the year. You didn't give up. And just because you didn't hobby or didn't get as far as you wanted, doesn't mean you failed. You didn't waste your year. Your energy was just needed elsewhere. And that's okay. But I'm also here to remind you that your art is important. It is needed in this world more than ever. For you and for others. Don't just survive, live. This world is beautiful and full of so many amazing, wonderful things, like you. But unfortunately, that gets clouded by all the gloominess in life. These dark, monotone areas, those are all the mundane things we do. The chains of responsibilities, the hardships, the unfairness, the pain. But you are hope. Hope is a match, and even the smallest flame can grow to burn down the biggest building. Art is hope. It is ideas, emotions, and ideas are a powerful thing. A picture says 1,000 words, so speak to the world. Art is a seed, planted and watch it grow in the minds and hearts of others. You make art, and you can plant good seeds. A small pebble can still create many ripples. So release your art, share it with others. Negative reactions are par for the course. For every one you get, I guarantee there will be far more who enjoy it, who need it, who silently appreciate your art. Do it for them. Do it for you. Most of us who enjoy art and the miniature hobby do so because we didn't let our inner child die. When the world tells you to grow up and fit into a mold, revolt. Be shapeless. Embrace that childlike wonder and create for the sake of creating. It does not have to be a masterpiece to have an impact. It just needs to be. So be your weird self and make your weird little art. Where there is art, there is hope. I hope this video inspired you to pick up a brush and make time for yourself and the things you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Now go make fun things. This video is in support of Crafting for Hope, an art challenge and fundraiser helping childhood cancer research. To find out more about Crafting for Hope and how you can help support it, please check out the links in my video description below.